If you ever wondered how to send funds from Scotiabank to TD Bank with just a few taps, then you're in the right place. So let's walk through the process step by step, making it as simple as possible. Now, if you're sending money to another Scotiabank account, it's usually free, so keep in mind that sending money to accounts in different banks may come with charge. The fees depend on other banks, so it's good to know about any possible cost beforehand. Okay, so to start sending money, first things first, open your Scotia mobile banking app and log into your account. And once you're in, look for the option that says Fund Transfer and tap on it. Now, in the Funds Transfer section, navigate to Transfer To and click on the Third Party Transfer option. Now, select Add Recipient to enter the bank account details of the person you're sending the money to. Make sure to double check and enter the correct information to avoid any hiccups. So, after adding the recipient, enter the amount you want to send, then tap Continue to proceed. Now, take a moment to review that all provided details are accurate, then just simply confirm the transaction when you're ready. And that's it! A quick and easy guide to transferring money from your Scotiabank to TD Bank. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.